How to clean your Omega juicer after making your favorite juice. So we just got finished making a lemon ginger juice. We added some cayenne. It was fire, absolutely delicious. But now we're left with this huge mess. In fact, we even have some mess here on the table we'll have to clean up. Typically, I do this in the kitchen, but for this video purposes, we're doing it at the kitchen table. So first and foremost, we're going to go ahead and remove the top piece. We're going to put it into our little bucket here. And then we're going to take this front piece here, which is, I call the squeeze hole or the squeeze machine. And you're just going to turn it to the right side. So it is actually counter towards like righty tighty, lefty loosey. This one, you're going to turn it to the opposite side. And then you're going to put that into your bucket. We're going to take this all to the kitchen sink here in just a moment, of course. Next, we're going to remove the actual filter squeezer here. And as you can see inside of here, this is where all of the food gets squeezed into the actual extraction hole. Juice will fall out of this section and juice will fall out of this bottom section here, these little holes. You can see the leftover residue. And if you remember from that video, we actually recycled the ginger multiple times. We recycled the lemon multiple times to make sure we got the extreme most amount out of our product there. So now we've got that. And then we then have our squeezing screw. This is the squeezing screw. And again, what happens is the food feeds in here, right here, and the screw feeds it through this thing, and it just starts turning and turning, squeezing out the juice, and then the trash falls out of the forward piece there. That is what is happening inside there. And then last but not least, we have our actual mechanism that holds all of the unit together. It's currently on close at the top. We're going to switch it over to open, and we pull that right off. Now, all of this needs to go either to this kitchen sink for a simple, easy rinse and wash, or you can throw in the dishwasher because the Omega juicer is dishwasher safe. And as you can see, the actual unit is clean, right? So you can wipe it down, whatever the case may be. Yeah, there's a little bit of juice spill over here, but this is not important. We will clean it, of course, but this is very simple. And now we're going to go over to the sink, wash and clean all this, and we're all set.